Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will discuss why motor skills matter and provide practical tips for educators to enhance their students' learning experience. Motor skills are the muscle movements we use in our daily lives. They allow us to do everything from walking and running. Importantly, motor skills are learned abilities, which means that we are not born with them. Instead, we acquire motor skills through practice and repetition. Motor skills are important in aiding academic success. For example, difficulties with fine motor skills can lead to challenges in academic tasks such as writing and cutting, impacting a child's performance and self-confidence. These skills involve the coordination of our muscles and nervous system to perform tasks effectively. In an educational setting, mastering motor skills can improve a child's cognitive abilities, concentration, and overall development. Research shows that children with well-developed motor skills tend to excel academically and exhibit higher levels of confidence and social skills. It is crucial for educators to incorporate activities that promote motor skills development in their curriculum. So, how can educators integrate motor skills into their teaching practice? Firstly, create a diverse range of hands-on activities such as building blocks, puzzles, and arts and craft projects. These activities not only engage students but also help them improve their fine motor skills. Additionally, encourage outdoor play and movement-based exercises to enhance gross motor skills. Simple exercises like hopping, skipping, and throwing can strengthen a student's coordination and balance, leading to better academic performance. Remember, each child develops at their own pace, so be patient and supportive in guiding them through their motor skills journey. By prioritizing motor skills development, educators can create a more inclusive and effective learning environment for all students. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.